What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to upgrade the cooling system of the Fiat. But first, let's kick in the intro. In order to upgrade the cooling system, we're going to install this aluminium radiator from Flexeo. We're also going to install a new thermostat, change the coolant, and while we're in there, we're going to fancy things up by painting some things. Now today I got some help from my brother Denzel, so this should be a piece of cake. Now without further ado, let's start. As always, we start by jacking up the car. We remove the lower coolant hose to drain the coolant. We loosen the bolts of the subframe holding the radiator to gain more access. Now the fun begins in disconnecting everything, so enjoy! Twee. Ow! Here's the side by side of the old and the new thermostat. Now the old one was not broken, but since I like shiny new stuff, I changed it anyway. And of course it's better to change it while we're in there. I use the old sensors for now, but they will be changed in the future. Now put in a new gasket and reinstall the new thermostat. I don't like rust, so we disassembled the radiator fans and painted them. We reassemble the radiator fans and swap over the parts to the new radiator. Reinstall the new radiator, and with some help of some editing and magic, the radiator is installed. As you can see, the radiator fans need to be installed separately. The new radiator is a bit thicker, so we need to shorten the hoses. Finally, we fill up the coolant and bleed the system. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.